Well, hello. My name is Dr. Adatone Musa, and I'm a neurologist here at Kingdom Healing Institute. And I have the beautiful Miss Virginia here, who has agreed to share her life-changing experience that she had here through treatment. Just a little bit about myself. I specialize in brain disorders, and those brain disorders include dementia and Parkinson's disease and movement disorders. And we're going to look into Miss Virginia's experience with that and how she overcame it. Miss Virginia, when did you realize for the first time that something was wrong?
Well, it was 3 years ago that I started feeling not walking very well.
Okay.
My thinking was a little slow, but then I went to Houston, and they told me they made these tests. And they told me that I had Parkinson, so I didn't believe it. And I say, no, I don't have it.
Okay.
So I went back to Mexico.
I love the positivity, though.
Yeah, I say, no, I don't have Parkinson. Everybody say, no, you don't have Parkinson.
Okay.
Parkinson is different. You know, we have these thoughts about Parkinson, so you don't have Parkinson. But I felt very sad. I didn't walk well.
Okay.
My legs hurt, and as I said, my thinking was slow.
Yeah.
So I start like feeling not good.
So I remember you sharing some of the cognitive effects of Parkinson's and the slow thinking, and I think you were also very sad because it was getting in the way of your career goals and your dreams and your mission, correct?
Yes. Yeah. I have a mission, as I told you.
Yeah.
I work on behalf of the mentally ill for their human rights, and I have worked for that for 4 years. And then I said, "Oh no, I cannot do it." I mean, I felt bad. I didn't know why, and I forgot about the Parkinson. I say, no Parkinson.
I see.
But then I came to the States, and I did feel bad, and I say, well, why not look at the Parkinson? And then I found you. That's it. Ask me.
Awesome. So how did you find our clinic?
Well, as I felt bad, and I was taking only like these pills that calm you, like relax you.
Yes.
So my friends were very worried. My family was very worried, and they find in internet. They found you.
On the internet.
So you were a specialist on Parkinson, and they told me, why don't you go?
Yeah.
And then I came.
That's wonderful. You had mentioned you were taking some medications to calm you because the symptoms, they were getting worse, and they were causing a lot of anxiety and a lot of worry, right?
Yes, a lot of anxiety, yes.
Yeah. Tell me a little bit about your experience here at Kingdom Healing Institute.
Oh, it's a good experience.
How quickly were you able to make an appointment compared to other facilities?
Very, very quickly, for a week, in a week. So that was very nice. And then I came here, and I found it very, very nice, very warm, very, like very human, very close, very close. And you understand what it was happening to me.
Yeah.
I remember I was like, I've been very tired. That was another symptom that I had.
Yeah.
That I got very tired in the afternoons. Very, very tired.
Yes, I remember the first time that I met you, and you did have what medically is called bradykinesia, which is slowed movements.
Yes.
The medications you were on likely were causing some fatigue as well.
Yes.
You were not as engaged when I interviewed you for just the patient interview and just the intake compared to now. So there was a lot of tuning up that we did. We went through your entire medical history and your medications, and we adjusted a lot of things so that your energy was able to go back to baseline or even above baseline.
Yes. I recovered my energy.
That's wonderful. What surprised you about your experience here at Kingdom Healing?
Well, lots of surprises. Here when you come, they treat you as a person, not as a patient. It's very warm. It's very nice. I mean, it's very easy. I like it very much. So
yeah,
I feel very good here.
Do you think that that's different from your normal doctor experience?
Oh, sure. It's very different here. The doctors were very cold, like you're a number or you're a patient or you're whatever, no? And here you're a person.
Yeah.
So it's very different here.
Well, thank you for saying that. In my journey, I learned the importance of compassion and connecting with patients, not just as a doctor is connecting to a patient who has a disorder or disease, but person to person.
Yes.
And I've learned that that is an essential part of the equation for healing.
Yes.
A heart-to-heart connection with each of the people that come here, including yourself. So
yes.
I'm so glad that we were able to gift you with that. So tell me a little bit about the treatment plans and the therapies that you got here at Kingdom Healing and how that positively affected you.
Well, one thing was you hear me. I mean, I can talk to you, and I know that you're understanding me. That's very, very important for a patient.
Yeah.
Another thing, the medicines, they were all. I was with bad medication, so here I got good the recommendation for good medication, and I'm now on medication, and it feels right.
Yes.
I mean, I feel very good.
That's wonderful.
So that's another thing, and another thing was this another treatment that they give here
with the headband.
Yes.
The neurofeedback.
Good. One thing that I had is I was forgetting words.
Yeah.
I look at things and I cannot say what was the name. And with this treatment, I start remembering, and I feel very, very well. I start walking better. I walk better. I feel energy, and I remember the words and I remember the things.
That is really wonderful.
So it's wonderful.
So you come on a weekly basis for this brain rehabilitation program, and it's through neurofeedback, and you have experienced improvement in verbal recall, which is part of your memory, and you were having a lot of cognitive and memory issues before.
Yeah.
You were really tired before.
Yes.
We removed the medications that were making you tired, and you were able to improve your energy and your sleep quality also with this brain rehabilitation program.
Yes, it's right.
If you know someone that is struggling with a brain disorder, what would you tell them? What's your advice?
Don't deny it. I mean, it's true. You feel bad. That's the reason. I mean, you know that you have something because you don't feel right.
Yeah.
So come. I mean, if you think that you have a brain disorder, you're starting thinking slowly and walking slowly and all feeling very tired, come here. I mean, come Kingdom Healing Institute. It's a very, very good. I can recommend it. They tell you what's happening with you, and you're going to be very well. I'm the proof.
Yeah.
I mean, you can see me. I mean, I'm very well.
I'm so happy. I mean, it is night and day, and thank you so much for coming here to just share your testimony.
Thank you.
We really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'll give you a hug. Thank you.
Thank you.